Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add inventory in Wix product, and we are going to track inventory and show total quantity available for product in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product. Now go to dashboard. So this is our product, and we are in edit section, and then you see inventory and shipping. Now you see status in stock, enable track inventory, so you can add number according to requirement. So total 5 quantity available for this product, and then click on save. Now you see product was saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. So we are in product page. Now you see quantity 1. Now increase quantity, but you see 5 is our maximum limit for this product. Now decrease, increase again. So we added 5 quantity for this product. We enable option track inventory in Wix website for this product, so you can add number according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.